Hello everyone. As in the previous session, we have discussed about various transactions relating to the rectification of errors. Now in this session, we'll be discussing some more types of errors. So the first transaction is sales to Ram rupees 20,000 posted to his account as 2,000. Now in this transaction, journal entry will be Ram's account debit to sales account. As we know, Ram is a personal account and the rule for personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So here Ram is receiving the goods amounting to 20,000. As in the transaction, it is not mentioned that the goods have been sold to Ram for cash. So we will assume that the goods have been sold to Ram on credit. Now sales account is credited because sale is treated as income, and according to the rule of nominal account, income and profits are always recorded on credit side. So we will record sales account on credit side with the amount 20,000. Now according to the transaction, goods has been sold to Ram for rupees 20,000, but only 2,000 has been recorded on Ram's account. So let's suppose this is Ram's account. This is debit side, this is credit side. So as we have already learned, when we transfer the entry or when we post the entry from journal to ledger, we record the entries on opposite direction. So here in this transaction also, we will record sales account on debit side. Sales is credited here, but while posting this amount on Ram's account, we will write it on debit side. Now, the amount should be 20,000, but only 2,000 has been recorded on sales account. So there is an error of 18,000 because 20,000 was supposed to be posted, but only 2,000 has been posted to Ram's account. So to rectify this error, we will debit the amount 18,000. So here total of debit side will be 20,000. Now the answer will be 2 error rectified. The amount is 18,000. Now next transaction is sales to Ram rupees 14,000 posted to his account as 40,000. So journal entry for this transaction will be Ram account debit to sales account. Amount should be 14,000. So in this transaction, goods were sold to Ram of rupees 14,000, but 40,000 amount has been recorded on Ram's account. So here is Ram's account debit and credit. We will record two sales. Here the amount was posted 40,000. Now there is an error of 20,000 because 14,000 was to be recorded, but 40,000 has been recorded. So there is an error of 26,000. To rectify this error, we will write 26,000 amount on credit side by rectifying entry. Amount will be 26,000. Now the net effect of this amount will be 40,000 minus 26,000 is 14,000. So net effect is 14,000, which is the amount of goods sold to the Ram. So here answer will be by error rectified, and the amount is 26,000. Now the third transaction is purchased from Mohan rupees 15,000 debited to his account as 50,000. So here there are two errors. First is when goods have been purchased from Mohan, Mohan's account is debited instead of debiting purchase account, and goods have been purchased from Mohan for 15,000, but it is recorded as 50,000. So there are two errors. Journal entry for this transaction will be purchased from Mohan, purchases account debit to Mohan's account, and the amount should be 15,000. So first we will prepare the Mohan's account. Here is the debit side and here is the credit side. Now, while posting this entry to the Mohan's account, we know we post the entry in opposite direction. So Mohan's account, purchases account is debited. So we will credit purchase account here by purchases account. The correct amount should be 15,000. This is the correct amount, but its account has been debited. That means 50,000 has been debited to Mohan's account. This is wrong posting. Now, to rectify this error, we will credit the amount by rectifying entry. Amount will be 65,000. Why? Because the net effect of both is rupees 15,000. When we subtract 65,000 to 50,000, we get the amount rupees 15,000. So in this case, while posting the rectifying entry, we will add the amount of wrong posting and the correct amount, which is 65,000, and we will subtract it from 50,000, we get the amount 15,000. So the answer will be by error rectified amount is rupees 65,000. Now the next transaction is purchase of rupees 6,580 from Sonu is debited to his account as 5680. So here in this transaction also there are two errors. First is Sonu's account is debited instead of debiting purchases account, and second error is instead of posting rupees 6580, the amount has been posted as rupees 5680. So the journal entry for this transaction will be purchase of rupees 6580 from Sonu. Journal entry will be purchases account debit to Sonu's account, and the correct amount is rupees 6580. 6580. So now we will prepare Sonu's account. Here is the debit side, here is credit side. Now, as we know, when we post the entry from journal to ledger, we post them in opposite direction. So, purchases account is debited here, we will credit purchases account by purchases account. Amount is 6580. This is the correct entry. This should be the correct entry, but we have debited Sonu's account with the amount 5680. This is wrong posting. Now to rectify this error, we will have to credit the amount 12,260 by rectifying entry 12,260. This will be the rectifying entry. When we calculate the net effect of 12,260 and 5680, the amount we will get is 6,580. So here the answer will be by error rectified, and amount is rupees 12,260. Now the last transaction is sales to Sonu rupees 6,800 was credited to his account as 5,600. Now in this transaction also there are two errors. First is when goods are being sold to Sonu, Sonu's account should be debited but it is wrongly credited. and the amount of goods sold to Sonu is 6800, but 5600 is recorded in Sonu's account. Now journal entry for this transaction will be sales to Sonu is Sonu's account debit to sales account, and the amount should be 6800. Now we will prepare Sonu's account. Here is debit side, here is credit side. Now as we know, when we post the entry from journal to ledger, we post it in opposite direction. Here sales account is credited, so we will debit to sales account. The amount should be 6800. This is the correct posting. But Sonu's account is credited with the amount 5600. This is the wrong posting. So to rectify this error, we will debit Sonu's account with the amount 12,400. 12,400, we get this amount by adding 5600 plus 6800. As it was wrongly credited, so we will rectify this error by debiting this amount. Now, the net effect of both this amount is 12,400 minus 5600 will be 6800. So the answer will be 2 error rectified, and the amount will be 12,400. So in this session we have learned how to rectify the errors relating to such transactions. In the next video we will discuss some more transactions related to the rectification of errors. That's all for today. Thank you.